Done it like 8 times. I swear to God, I did. What I was playing against AJ and opened a monster once. That was pretty good. Magician, is that right? Yeah. Our reveal shark, is that right? Yep. I'll make him level 3. Is that right?
Ooh. 1 second here. 1 second. 1 second. Baylor, the second magician.
Baylor, the second magician? Sure. If you want to be like a Jew like that.
I actually opened. That was the fifth one. So I didn't even know that I could have Baylor the first one. You know.
So nice.
No, it doesn't. Because I'm gonna beat you anyway.
Sure you are. Go ahead.
And you have a hollow one of that.
Hey, Chuck. Don't say anything about the game.
Summon?
I got the
Okay. I know what it was.
I didn't.
Did we ask for your opinion?
Yeah. Fuck the hell up.
Finish your tokos.
Like, up the ass.
Whoa, I don't take it up the ass. I don't know what you do at your house, but I don't know what Jewish people do in their family.
Monster 15.
One phase of monster. Yeah, I'll take it.
Go ahead.
Not in the homosexual way you're thinking, though.
Why was
I remove from play itself.
Why was Chaos such a baby?
I remove from play itself.
You can do that?
Do you
Sure,
have?
do you read your cards? Go ahead.
I was just wondering, do you like record your voice, or is there an echo in the room? Because I feel like you said like the same thing twice.
I thought about saying a third time too.
Psychic Commander summon.
Holy shit. That is so gay. I can't bottomless that.
Who plays that new card? Attack, pay 200. Yep, alright. Yep.
Card's so stupid. I could have bottomless things. I have the dark hole.
Did you dark hole it?
Yeah. It gets to go to the grave.
Oh, yay! My turn?
When did you plus me? Okay, that's our turn. Then just attack. Oh, man. It was fun, my turn?
Yep.
I don't even care what the other cards are.
Wow.
Summon. This card is just too good. See, look, it was so good that you had a summon. Yep.
I do, otherwise it just stays there and goes back and forth and does random shit.
Go ahead. Summon them again, Knight.
Reckless?
Sure. Just put the card on top of that.
What?
Just put the card on top of that.
Yeah. That's what I normally do. Let's see. Summon Gruffer?
I'm going to sand. Yeah.
That better not be a sand gun.
Well, I wanted to plus you. I guess I wasn't here. How do you have 3 cards? Oh, reckless. God, these are so good.
Go.
And they're only 210 calories. It's like more than I need.
Penis.
On the chain.
Oh.
Yeah. Like the dumbass. Right, go ahead.
Really? Can do that?
Yeah, you gotta wait for me to, activate the effect.
Oh, and then do it? Oh, okay. I see. Go.
One back. 14?
Yep. That's not
I think your card's not there anymore, by the way. It never really targeted, so.
Oh, okay.
I'll take 14.
14? Then of course.
Yeah, you're fucking welcome.
Thank you for that ruling, because that happened twice to me today on this card.
It's gay as fuck, alright.
I need a token.
This will do.
It's like a mega mind control.
So Jew.
27? So 14?
It's like 41. Okay.
Yep.
Alright, I can do this. Just believe in myself. So much I do.
Just believe.
Make them level 3.
Okay.
Okay.
What are you at?
18, you're 29.
Okay. Don't kill the gores.
On that one.
Is he listening to me? I said don't kill the gores.
No. I can't. Well, I can, but can I? I don't know if I play that card anymore. Yeah, I can't kill it. I guess I should. I don't know if you have Vader or whatever.
Nope.
Yeah, you have Vader. Yeah, buddy.
I have 3 in the deck.
When a gen attacks, when it attacks, I can double its attack. Just leave it. So,
Okay.
take 3 plus 1. Minus 4. I got 25. Go ahead.
So you're 18?
Yep. I have 20 back. It's over.
I'll activate Monster Reborn.
Sure.
Can I check your graveyard? Thank you. You're such a kind person. No, there's nothing. I'll target. Gores?
All bottomless, reveal Solemn Judgment.
I don't get it.
All bottomless.
Okay.
I have a Solemn Judgment. Do I win?
Yep. It was Dark Arm. I thought I had it with Dark